Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to transfer money from PayPal to bank account Pakistan. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to paypal.com. And from here guys, just simply click on login at the top right and just simply provide your email and password to log in. Now guys, once you are logged in, just simply go to wallet. And from here, just simply click on link a bank. So guys, from here, just simply provide your bank name, your bank code, and your account number. Now guys, once you have provided the necessary details, just simply click on link your bank. And from there, you'll be able to link it. And now once you have your bank link into your PayPal, just simply go to home and go for transfer funds. Guys, since I don't have a balance on PayPal, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. From here, guys, just simply click on transfer to your bank. And after that, just simply select bank account that you just added. And guys, remember, it will take up to 3 to 5 business days. And fees may apply. And now, once you are done, just click on transfer now. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!